2020 Ram 1500. Bad start. Starter's pretty well hidden up in here above the drive shaft. There's a little heat shield. Two 10mm nuts, or bolts, sorry. Long extension, a 10mm socket, and a swivel. Get those out of there. There's the heat shield. As for that bottom bolt, there's a bracket there in the way, but you can access it with a long extension. Come in from behind the crossmember without taking that bracket off. Alright, there's the setup I used to get the bottom bolt out. Was a 15mm socket. Top bolt was the same way. It's way up there. Just had to add a swivel to the end to get to it. That was the only difference. Top battery cable power wire, 13mm. And there's a plug-in for the other wire. After the wire, turn and wiggle right out. Clean off your cable wire. Check your plug-ins before putting the new one back in. Let's see if we can. There we go. Top bolt, the long extension and the swivel, same as before. Bottom bolt the same way. Up through there with the long extension. Through the bracket. To behind the crossmember. Battery cable bolt. Nut the same way, little stubby ratchet. A little solenoid plug in. Then the little heat shield. With the two bolts. They was 10mm. Good idea to clean the battery cables. I'm going to tag the starter, battery cable cleaner, and some battery protectant spray in the video if anybody needs any. And let's see. That's it. Thanks for watching.